Hi everyone, I am Dula Dallas, HOD of Community Health Nursing Department. Today we are going to learn about Chief Minister Breakfast Scheme, CMBS. This Chief Minister Breakfast Scheme, it was launched on 15th September 2022 by the Tamil Nadu government to provide breakfast to the government school children from class 1 to 5. This Chief Minister Breakfast Scheme is a significant social initiative to address the malnutrition, to improve school attendance, to enhance the overall well-being of children in the state. So malnutrition is a major issue among the school children because of their low socioeconomical status. And to improve the school attendance, because of this low socioeconomical status, the people are going for child labor. The parents, they are not sending them to the schools. So in the morning, if they are getting the breakfast at school, for that purpose, the people will send them to the schools. So through that, the school attendance will be improved and the dropout will be avoided. The primary objective of the breakfast scheme is to provide free nutritious breakfast to the students in government schools across Tamil Nadu. Why this scheme was introduced in Tamil Nadu? The literature on school feeding program highlights the strong correlations between the nutrition and the learning outcomes. Another rationale behind this initiative is based on the understanding that hunger can significantly impair a child's ability to concentrate, learn, and perform well in the school, ensuring that low-income students start their day with the necessary nutrients to focus fully in their educations. So there is a relationship between the nutrition and the education also. So mainly to improve the concentrations, this morning breakfast is very important. So that is, the nutrient is very important. That will be given in this through this scheme. About this scheme, we have phase 1 and 2. The phase 1, it was launched September 15, 2022, covering 1,545 primary schools and 1,14,095 students with an initial investment of 33.5 crore in Tamil Nadu. And the next phase, it was launched on August 15, 2023, extending the scheme to remaining government primary schools, reaching 1.7 million students across 31,008 schools, with a total budget of approximately 5,000 crore for the 22 to 23 period. What the menu of this scheme, that is what all the recipe or the menu they are included in this breakfast scheme. So this will be given from Monday to Friday. So mostly the khichdi and upma will be given. This Monday, upma varieties, this rava, vermicelli, wheat rava with the vegetable sambar. And all the Tuesdays, khichdi varieties, rava khichdi, vermicelli, sorghum, wheat rava with vegetable sambar. So here khichdi means they are adding some vegetables into this rava or vermicelli or wheat rava, like that. The Wednesday again the rava pongal or ven pongal with vegetable sambar. Thursday upma varieties, same like in Monday, vermicelli rava with vegetable sambar. Friday khichdi varieties, often with the sweet item, will be given. The quantity of this food, it is very important. The quantity of the raw material will be 50 gram per child per day. Locally available millets based on breakfast also be utilized for at least 2 days a week. So this will ensure approximately 293.40 calories of energy will be given to the child. and 9.85 gram of protein will be given through this food, and 5.91 gram fat, 1.64 gram of iron, 20.41 grams of calcium for each child can be given through this menu. What is the weakness of the scheme? The potential dependency on government assistance, resource allocations, and the optimal cost, and the health risk if not properly prepared. So every day morning we need to give the breakfast to the government school children. So here that government has to allocate some budget for this, but every time we are depending on this government assistance. So here it's a main weakness. So we need to get some support from the NGOs or the private institutions. And the another weakness is health risk. That is, your khichdi or upma or sambar, whatever it is, that food hygiene and this the personal hygiene, that is very important. If they are not cooking properly, if they are not using the proper water, if they are not washing that vegetables properly, so if it is not cooked properly, it will be leads to uh, diarrhea, vomiting, and the dehydrations. So like that. So we have to be very careful while preparing this food to the children. And the positive impact of the scheme is the school attendance. Many schools witnessing a noticeable increase in the number of students attending morning classes. It has also led to improvements in children's concentration levels. It also fosters positive social behavior as children are more likely to exhibit better behavior and social interactions when starting the day with a meal. It has reduced household food cost. What are the challenges of the scheme? The main challenge is funding, because we are depending only on the government fund. Ensuring the quality of food. So we have to give a quality, that is very important. We are using the dal, we are using the rice, we are using the rava, khichdi, vermicelli, we are using this vegetables. We have to ensure that the quality should be maintained in that raw items. The timely delivery of meals. So at the right time it should be prepared and should be given. Maintaining hygiene standards. This the food hygiene is very important, environment hygiene is very important, and the personal hygiene of this cook is very important, and the vessels whatever they are using, that is very important, and they have to use the that water and this raw material, that should be uh, that is should not get any contamination through that. Then catering to the dietary needs of all children should be met, involving local communities and parents to oversee the quality of food, and the functioning of the scheme in schools could enhance its effectiveness. What are the future prospects of this scheme? Monitoring and feedback mechanism to continuously address any issues. Exploring partnership with private sectors or NGOs for additional support and innovation in meal preparation and delivery will enhance the effectiveness of the scheme. So now we are giving only khichdi and this rava. Suppose we are getting that support from some NGOs, we can able to change our menus. If successful, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister's breakfast scheme could serve as a model for other states in India, contributing to a broader national effort to ensure that no child goes to school hungry. Let me conclude this topic. Chief Minister's breakfast scheme is a critical intervention that not only supports children's immediate nutritional needs but also contributes to their long-term educational success and health, reinforcing the value of such programs in promoting equity and opportunity. It is vital for breaking the cycle of poverty, fostering long-term educational and economic development, and contributing to the nation's broader social welfare goal. This content was taken from International Journal of Advanced Research in Science, Communication and Technology, Volume 4, Issue 2, August 2024, and also taken from the website of Social Welfare, Tamil Nadu Government website. Thank you for patience listening.